Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to upload to Redbubble. So first, all you got to do is click on your account picture, as you can see on the right corner, and then you're going to click on it, and then you're going to go to Add New Work. As you can see, it says Add New Work, and you want to go to the left one where it says Upload to All Products. Click on it, get your file. And for this example, it's going to be very simple. It's a design that says hello on it, and we're just going to wait for the upload process, so it might take a while. Almost there. The upload is complete. So my design is just a text where it says hello on it, and for the title, you can actually do whatever descriptive title you can. As you can see, it says use a descriptive title that explains your artwork. This makes it easier for people to find your design based on their searches. For this one, I would just do hello, but it's kind of boring, so I would say something like saying hello to everyone around you. That's a little bit better than just saying hello. Now let's say you had a design that just had more words on it, and let's say it was saying hello to everyone around you, and that was on the design. I would just put that in. But if it's just like one or two words, then yeah, you definitely want to make the title a little bit more fancier. So the tags, and this is more on the keyword arena. So, and this is kind of how people find your product. And so what I use is actually a website, and I'm going to show you right now. This is called Merch Titans. They are awesome, and they have this free Redbubble tag generator. And let me just go back to a minute here. Before we had to just type it in, so I would go hello, hi, greetings, right? And that just takes too much time. And I believe you can do up to 50. I'm not exactly sure. Oh, excuse me. It says use 15. Sorry, not 50. 15. And that's a little. And that's still a lot to write. So what I would do, I would go here, and it says Redbubble tag generator, right? So I would just go maybe greeter. As you can see, it had some tags that just came out. So what I do, I just take a look at it, and I would just get a good 15. So I'm just gonna get 2 lines for now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So just up to here. And then for this one, I would just put, who doesn't love to say hello to their friends, family, and coworkers. Now that we're done, I also want to change the background color. For this one, I'll make it black. And as you can see, once I change the background color, some of the products have changed to a different color. And I like to use black as a default, just because it gives it a bit more pop to the design, especially this one because it's a little bit more brighter on the text. So let's go to the first one here. It says standard print clothing, and I'm just going to change this to black and maybe increase it a little bit. And you can use these center design right here. It centers it for you, so I just like to move it a little bit up, right? Another thing you need to be aware about is this checkbox right here. You see where it has all these different availabilities? For whatever reason, Redbubble doesn't automatically check these for you. So you definitely want to check kids clothes and the toddler and the kids pullover hoodie. So that way you have more products to show. If you don't want any of these products for whatever reasons, like for example a relaxed fit, then you can uncheck them, but I recommend you just check all of them. Same for this one. I just move it up. And you know what, for this one, let's just use a different color here, just for kicks. So that one's good. This one's a little big, as you can see. And now I'm just gonna go through each one and see. See, this one's disabled. You want to make sure it's enabled. Maybe lift it up a little. And this is really just up to your preference where you want to place them. I mean, if you really want to place it down here, then you can. So now I'm gonna change it up a bit. So as you can see, this is a dress here. So what you can do is, if you don't want a text right here, you can do these repeats. So as you can see, this is a little bit more uniform fashion, as you can see, and then this is a little bit more scattered. So for this one, we're just gonna try this one out, and then I'm just gonna make it smaller. And this is what it looks like. Stickers is good. I'm gonna go cell phone. I'm gonna use a scattered one again, make it smaller. And it depends on how it looks. That looks fine to me. Make it smaller. See, I can move it over here, or I can use a scattered repeat. Again, it's subjective. You can do whatever looks best to you. Pillow. I'll make another one like this. Apply. And the floor one, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. So I'm gonna leave that. For shower curtains, just wanna try different things out. I think this looks better. So even for mugs, you can leave it like this, but just for kicks, I'm just gonna try this one out. And again, you can change the color too. It doesn't have to be black. It can be blue. Try a little bit more sky bluish color. There. So you can do different colors here. You can leave it like this, or you can try the repeat again. I'm gonna do a different color. Let's just do like a kind of like a maroonish color. And you just want to be careful too with the color. Even though you may like a color, the text might not pop out as much. So especially for this one, I think a darker red would be better. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. And there's leggings. Usually just like a flat text does not look good with leggings, so I'll just show you an example. See, if I did none, it would just look like this. So usually I just do the repeats, but again, it depends on the design. If it looks good to you, then I would just go for it. You gotta click that so it enables, and that's what it looks like. Same for the skirts. I don't usually don't like to put a text unless it looks good. Usually I do this. Again, it's just all subjective. Scarf, I can try this out. I think the tab looks fine. Looks fine to me. Now hardcover journals, you can do the same thing. You can move the title over. It can look like this, or you can do the scattered one. So, but for this one, I think I'm gonna Oh, and another feature is this button too, right here. As you can see, it doubled it, so you can put it on both sides. And actually, I'm just gonna leave it like that. Leave the clock. That looks good. That looks good. I'm gonna enable this one. Maybe make it the scattered version. Choose pattern. I want to enable this. So yeah, you really want to make sure you enable them, just so you have more products to show. Choose pattern, offset grid, which is I believe it's the scattered version. For this one, I'm just going to do no pattern and just put a big hello. Alright, so now I'm just going to review them to see if it all looks good, make sure that everything was enabled. It looks like it's good. Again, I checked that it's tags and the description and the title. It seems everything's good to go. And then I'm going to select up to 2 for the media. So this is obviously more of a design illustration. And I'm going to put digital art. For this one, it says default view in your shop. What kind of view you want. It depends what looks best to you. Usually I just pick a shirt. So I'm going to pick classic t-shirt. Who can view this? Make sure it's on public because you want everybody to view it. Is this mature? Nope, it's not. You want to click this button and then save work. And that's it.